Hyundai Palisade faces second recall over seat belt wiring. Flaw Hyundai is recalling nearly 47,000 of its 2026 Palisade SUVs due to a defect in the third row, left side seat belt buckle wiring. This follows an earlier recall for power folding seat issues, raising concerns about quality control in the latest model year. The problem? Damaged wiring under stress under certain conditions. Pulling the seat belt buckle too hard can damage the internal wiring. If this happens, the vehicle may no longer correctly detect whether the seat belt is fastened. This poses a significant safety risk, especially for families using the third row, as an unbuckled seat belt increases the chance of injury in a collision. Scope of the recall includes 46,787 vehicles. 34,677 standard 2026 Hyundai Palisades built between May 8, 2025 and November 22, 2025. 12,110 hybrid versions of the same model, manufactured between August 11, 2025 and November 17, 2025. Hyundai first became aware of the problem in Korean market vehicles in January. 5 U.S. reports of the same defect confirmed the issue extended to American models. Despite this, no accidents, injuries, or fatalities have been linked to the wiring flaw as of now. The fix: extended wiring harness. Hyundai dealers will replace the seat belt buckle wiring harness with a longer, 4.3-inch extended version. This should reduce tension on the system and prevent future failures. In some cases, the entire buckle assembly may also be replaced. Recall notices are expected to be sent to owners beginning May 18. Hyundai's second, seat-related recall in quick succession underscores the need for stricter quality assurance protocols. While no injuries have been reported, this issue highlights how seemingly small defects can create serious safety hazards, especially in vehicles designed for families.